So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a beautiful curl using no heat. And this curl is gorgeous because it has a lot of volume in it when you take it out. So what you're going to do is take a small section like I have here. You're going to start from the bottom, hold it tight, and you are going to wrap the hair over your finger. I know it looks hard, but practice makes perfect. You're going to roll finger over finger, make sure it's nice and tight all the way till you get up to the top. And then you're going to take a pin curl, looks like this, and you're just going to pin it like that. See? And so let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. Longer the better. Even if you have an hour, let it sit for an hour. And when you take it out, you will just get such beautiful, massive volume. And I'll show you guys what it looks like after I take it out. Okay, so I just finished pinning my hair. So you're going to look like George Washington for a little bit, but it comes out so beautiful, I promise you guys. And you are using no heat on your hair. So this is a very healthy way to achieve beautiful curls. So I'm going to wait like probably about an hour. Then I will take it out and show you guys the results. Okay, so here's the final result. See how beautiful that curl is? So you're just going to take all of them out like this and just let them set, and then you can mess it up later. I kind of like to just shake my head and massage my scalp, not really put my finger through the curl so much. See how bouncy they are? They're so pretty. And believe it or not, it lasts all day. Look at this one. Isn't that so amazing how much volume these curls give? Okay, so this is it. This is from the pin curls. See how much volume my hair has just from that? I mean, it's a little frizzy because I didn't blow dry it. This is just air dried, but I love how big my hair is and the volume it gives. So let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.